A best practice is to build the SQL automatically. I'm going to open a Snowflake system and I'm going to right click and say Super Join Builder, and the addresses table is now a graphical user interface. Now it shows me what joins, and I can see subscribers joins to addresses and claims joins to subscribers. Now I just pick the columns I want on the report and the SQL is built automatically, which is exactly what I want done. I can then add order by, I can change to inner or outer joins, and I just point and click, and now I have an order by how I want the data sorted. And this SQL is all uppercase because it's built on Snowflake. Now let's do a federated query. I'm going to my Teradata tree. I'm dragging in the providers table. I'm touching the claims, which is what it joins to. And then I just have to say how they join. Provider code on Teradata joins to provider number on Snowflake. Now, I'm going to open up a SQL Server tree and let's do another table. And that's going to be services on SQL Server. I touch the claims table, which it joins to, and then I just have to tell it how it joins one time. Service code and claim service are the columns. Got everything I need. It's a 5-table join, and we've got Snowflake, Teradata, and SQL Server. I picked the columns I want on the report here as well, and the SQL is built. Once again, notice it's all uppercase because this is Snowflake SQL. Why is this Snowflake SQL? Because Snowflake is the hub. This is where the join will be processed. When I execute this, the Teradata table and the SQL Server table are converted to Snowflake. Load utilities are now moving those tables over to Snowflake. Once they reside there, that SQL runs and we have the federated query. Big reason to automate this is because if I change the hub, now I'm changing it to SQL Server. Now look at the SQL. It changes to TSQL, completely converts to be run on a SQL Server system. And now the Snowflake and the Teradata table, when I execute this, are now converted over to SQL Server, and the utilities are run, and now it's even a little bit faster. Notice that. Now I'm going to change the hub to my PC. Everything will be queried separately, brought back to my PC, and it's joined. That's the fastest way to do it. So I'm going to save this join, and I'm going to use the hub of my PC. That's the real secret here. I can share this with other users. When I hit OK, I've got this now saved. I don't have to do this again. Next time anybody comes in, they can just go to the Super Join Builder, do a load, and say, yeah, I want to load that federated query, and everything comes up. I could make changes to the columns that I want, add more tables, whatever I want to do. When I execute this, it's going to run quickly, and I've got that. Automating the SQL is the best way to reunite your data.